Hey guys, how's it going? Justin here, just checking in again with a couple of our crews as they are repairing foundations out here in Southern California. As you can see, we're already out here at the first stop. We're checking in with Jesse and his crew, who you guys may remember from our previous video. They're working on this commercial building that is settled well over 7 inches. So they are installing 90-something push piers, 14 helical tiebacks, and then a ton of polyurethane to fill the void and help lift this this building the 7 inches that it's settled. So it's been about a week and a half since you guys last saw this project. We've made a ton of progress. We currently have Danny, who is our co-foreman. He is installing the actual push piers. We have Sean, who is installing some brackets on the back side of the building. And then we have Josh on the inside. He is excavating and prepping the footings for the pier brackets. And then Joe is kind of running around doing a bunch of odds and ends. But I'm gonna get some footage here for you guys. Hopefully you guys like what you see. Hopefully we get something kind of cool. But I will check in with you guys at our second stop. All right guys, hopefully you liked that footage from Jesse and his crew over in Diamond Bar. We'll be checking in with them sometime later in the week as they continue to work on that commercial building that settled well over 7 inches. So as you guys can see, we're actually already at our second stop. And if you watched our previous day of foundation repair video, you may remember this home. It's a beautiful 11,000 square foot home in Diamond Bar that Dimitri and his crew are currently working on. They've pretty much completed just about everything on the outside in terms of push piers and helical tieback installations, and now they're working on the inside of the home. The inside is actually going to be receiving a total of 9 push piers. So I'll get some footage of them working in there. We've got Dimitri in the front room all by himself. He's prepping some of those locations and installing the brackets. And then we have Jonathan with the jackhammer, who's actually excavating and clearing out all the concrete so that we can prep the footings for push piers at this location. So I'm going to get some footage here. Hopefully you guys like that. And I'll be checking in with you guys at our third stop. I'm not too sure if that's going to be in Diamond Bar yet, or it may be in Orange County. So I will check in with you guys then. Thanks. Alright guys, hopefully you liked that footage from the second stop, and now we are on to the third. So we're actually not too far from that second location, that second project in Diamond Bar, about 3 miles away at a residential property that is actually for an investor. They're looking to flip this home. Now, when we first came out and inspected the property, there wasn't too much settling in the house itself. There was a little bit of lateral movement that we could see. But the main issue was the lateral movement in the backyard. Now, there was previously a pool. When we first got here, there was a pool here, and there was a very large crack right through the center, going down towards this hill. So I'll get some clips here in a second and show you guys this, but there's a very large hill, and this pool was just seeing some significant lateral movement. So what we're gonna do is, what we already did was we took out the, hey man, I'm trying to talk. We took out the retaining wall that was in place. Originally, it actually wasn't retaining too much of the dirt, or backyard for that matter. So we took that out, dug it down much deeper. We're installing a new retaining wall. And actually right now the crew is installing some helical tiebacks to lock this backyard into place and prevent any future lateral movement. So I'm gonna get some clips here of these guys installing this helical tieback. And if you guys have any questions regarding tiebacks, comment down below, and we'll do our best to answer them for you. But like I said, I'm gonna get some footage here for a second, and then we'll be off to the fourth stop, visiting a crew in Orange, California. So talk to you guys soon. Hey guys, hopefully you liked that footage from our third stop with Billy and his crew. Unfortunately, they had to take their lunch, so I headed over to our fourth stop, and this is going to be the final stop for the day. But you guys haven't seen any footage from this location yet. We're out here with Axel and his crew, and they are in the city of Orange working on a condo complex. So there are a total of 7 different condos that we are performing work on. We're actually installing a total of 11 helical piers and 56 push piers. So I'm gonna get some footage of these guys. This is probably gonna wrap up this video. Make sure you are subscribed if you're watching this on YouTube. And if you're on Facebook, make sure you like our page or follow, just so you guys get updates whenever we put out content like this. Hopefully you guys like what you see, and I will check in with you guys in the next video. Good luck. Hey guys, sorry, it looks like a bunch of our guys are actually installing push pier brackets on the back side of the AC units, and it's real tight squeeze back there. Not too much room for a person, let alone a camera. So I'm gonna do my best to get as much footage as I can. I can't make any promises, and unfortunately, it's a little too cloudy to bring out the drone right now. The sunlight isn't perfect for it, so let's probably wrap up the video. If you guys have any questions, sorry I just zoomed in on my face, but if you guys have any questions, like I said the last couple stops, don't hesitate, comment down below, send us a direct message, an email at wecare@dalinghausconstruction.com. One of us, whether it be me, Holly, Brian, Brad, Brett, one of us will get back to you as soon as we can, and have a good rest of your day.